What's going on, fam? So one of my subs came through and we're about to help him install the front lip kit. That looks nice. Sun looked pretty aggressive on the lunar server. Blacked out. He got the chrome delete on the wheels. He hit the vinyl in the front, chrome delete. And then hooked him up with this. This looks perfect on his car. It didn't look good on mine.
It's a neck turner.
But yeah.
It's a neck turner.
Yeah, it didn't look good on mine, but I figured, you know, carbon fiber on your color would be perfect. Yeah, this definitely looks a lot better than it did on mine. So that's nice. And yeah, not much done in the back, but just the tints, same as mine, same percentage. I think. What percentage you did?
So it's all
I think
25
25
all
right?
around, and then
Yeah.
35 in the windshield.
Yeah, that's nice. Stay cool in there. But that's how it looks. And we got the cars up, so we get in there and drill some nice tiny nails. It'll be good on the front lip. That's mine. So we decided to install a diffuser as well for him. That looks nice. Take a close look. There you go. Focused on it. Yeah, this looks amazing. I really love it. Yeah, I think that was the last one he got on eBay. And then the front lip was installed as well. And it looks pretty aggressive. That looks awesome. And then he did, I think, mud slabs here. The VISORS, I don't know. Yeah, those look good too. We installed them. It was easy. It took like 5 minutes. They're here too. So everything turned out great. Car looks amazing. Tube, so he's down there installing the, what is that, rear side skirts?
Yeah, rear side skirts.
Yeah. So we try to install that in the back. He's hooking me up with this, so it looks really good on the car. It's pearl black, it's gloss black. Show you the front. That's how it's gonna go. I'll let you see how it's, once it's installed, let's see how it looks. But it's gonna mesh the front lip. And then I'll just be missing side skirts. So that's how the rear skirts look like on the left side. And then on the right side. Yeah, my subscriber hooked me up with these. I really like them. But yeah, from far away, I guess you could. Yeah, there you go. It's just like the front lip kit. It matches that. So it's come down, different view. And then he helped me out with putting the red vinyl on the bottom as well. So the links are in the description below. Yeah, it came out really nice. So I'm going to work on putting the red vinyl on the side of the car as well, and on the wheels as well. So stay tuned and like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon to support the channel. Appreciate it. Later.